Hello everyone. In this exercise of the Autocad, we will understand all the option of the circle command. This one, these all option we will discuss. Okay, I will explain all the commands in the draw panel. This one, I have discussed all the line command, rectangle, and polygon. I have discussed. Now I have discussed. Today I will explain the all the option of the circle command. Okay, if you click on the downward arrow, you will find these options: radius, center, diameter, 2 point, 3 point, 10, 10, radius, 10, 10. First I am selecting this option, center, radius. Click anywhere and give the radius of the circle 100 mm. Suppose 100, enter. This is the circle of the 100 radius. Suppose circle, center, diameter, center, suppose 100 mm. Now I want to give the diameter, suppose 300, enter. So this is the dia of the 100 mm. Okay, if you measure this one, dia, this one, D, enter, modify, fit, suppose 5, okay, close this one. You will see radius is 300. Suppose you want to radius this one, this is 100 mm radius. Okay, now for the shortcut of the circle command is C, this one, enter. This one here, also the same option is coming. Okay, now I am using this option. Center, diameter I have discussed. 2-point method. For the 2-point method, I first draw a line here. This line, one line here, enter, enter. Drag the point, this one and this one, enter. Okay, now if I select this option, 2-point, select this point, this point, this is the 2-point method. Again, 2-point method, this point and this point. In this way you can, as per this sequence you can make in the geometry. Okay, now there is a 3-point method. For 3-point I make the triangle here. Polygon, I make a triangle. Number of sides 3, X, enter. Center of polygon, no. Edge method. Edge method, click anywhere and give the dimension, suppose 300, or you can give the dimension 200. Enter. Now this is the now if I use 3-point method, if I zoom it, select midpoint, and midpoint. This you can also make this one 3-point method. This point, and this point. In this way you can use the 3-point method or 2-point method. 10, 10 radius. Now get the 10-point radius. For this I make, suppose, rectangle here. This one. This is actually most useful in this command for the rectangle purpose. This one. Suppose 10, 10 radius. 10, 10 radius means you can make the tangent to the line and circle. The two objects may be the line or mix of line and circle. Okay. Suppose I select here, and give the radius. Suppose I give the radius 120. Enter. So this is tangent to these points. Okay. In this way. Select it, delete it. If you now any command, because this command is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. Any command use that will come on the top. Don't click inside this one, because last time I have used this command, so that's why it is coming on the top. Please note this thing. So directly I can use here. Okay, 10, 10 radius, 10, 10 radius. It may they may two objects may be circles or mix of line and circle. Okay, suppose I make it here and here. If I don't give any dimension, just enter. Not applicable. 10, this one and this one. 120, for example. No, not valid radius actually. 10 radius. This and this. 120, suppose I give. Radius should be valid actually. Okay. Now, if you want to make here 10, 10, 3.310. 10 means 3, it can pass 3.3. It may be mix of the line and circle. Suppose this, this, and this. So this is tangent to this point, this edge, and this one. So the object in the case of the two, that may be line, two lines, or one line and one circle, and in the case of three, that is the three circles or three lines, or mix of three of the this one. Suppose you will take here, suppose 10 radius. Select this, and this way. Again, I am taking 10 radius. Click here, click here, click here. In this way, you can make it. Okay. Now, if I make 10 radius, this and this. Tangent is not taking. Ten radius. This tangent and this tangent. This. Actually, radius should be valid radius. So this is this. If I click this one, I click this one, any point, tangent any point, tangent any point, this one. So three objects may be lines or circles or mix of that. In this way, you can use these methods. Okay. We can take also, for example, I take a line here, this line, enter, and suppose I give the offset of suppose 200, enter, select this line and this offset. So exit offset command. Now if suppose you want to make 2 point, this one, this and this one, you can make in this way. Again 2 point, this one, you can make this one. So by trimming, and you can make a slot also here. So this is the very useful command for this one. Okay. Suppose I try circle here, center radius here, this, and suppose this one, enter. Suppose you want to make outer side, this outer side, this outer side, and this outer side. Now it will make the tangent to circle, three circle, that will be the outside. Okay. In this way, you can use the circle command with, depending upon situation, you can use all the parameters of this one, 2.3. Okay. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. You please subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.